Not a big deal. Eye protection must run at all times on the field. Do not take it off for any reason at all whatsoever. Once you pass through that doorway, there are doors at your respawn, so you can walk outside the field. Actually, no, do not open those doors. If you do have to cool down or defog or anything like that, come out here, come all the way out there. Do not do it on the field. Monitors must have full face protection, so the entire face must be covered. If you are over 18, you should be full steel entered as eye protection. No weapons allowed to be kept this Saturday.
Water here, let's go. Bit of a slip. Not the Freudian kind. But watch out, there are guys. It's on. I think my battery's getting a little low. Oh, I got you, dude. I know you don't like getting shot, but that's life. No one likes getting shot. Ain't there a flag in schoolhouse? We got this place locked down. 87 Cadillac Credenza. No land. It's got the Landau roof, which is pretty sick. Look at that. Look at that. That's a sick car. James looks for the action. Nice going. Oh, damn it. Nice going, strike. Yep, got you, dude. You are a goner. Put a fork in him. He is done. Yeah, get that guy. Oh. Woohoo, you are a lucky man. So, this guy right here. Keep an eye out. Bunch of dead people. I think I beat the shit out of my team. There we go. Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Get stupid. In this episode of James Does a Thing, James Does a Thing. Okay. Go back where we were. Father and son duo. Say hi, Mom.
We have the flag. The flag's over on that side. We have it.
You probably get a lunch break. I need some Chick-fil-A or something. I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A or something. Hit! Shoot anybody?
How's it going?
Shoot anybody?
Yeah, I don't know if I hasn't hit anybody, but yeah.
Well, keep trying. Ivan's in there. Doing God's work, Ivan. And 3 people in a row. Yeah, call it, dude. That's some bullshit. Yeah, you're hit. Yeah, you're hit. Thank you. 6 times in the back of the head. That'll do it. Oh, dude, awesome. That was awesome. Good one. How many people you got?
4.
4? Oh.
There's one of the...
Oh shit, that was a close one. Oh shit, that was a close one. think that's a nut shot recovery. You got shot in the nuts?
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude.
No, it was bad. That's how you're.
Got him. We got one guy in the building in front of the post office. Coming in. Probably one more person's blood to be this room. Okay, right. Sorry, guy right there in the middle. Oh, green moving up on the right. Hi, how's it going? Good. I think most of our team's over here, not over there. We'll go over that way. Take the post office back. We need our mail. We need our mail. What incarnation? Damn it. Got him. One more on the left. Loading. Oh, that's a smoky shuffle. Danger close, danger close. White sedan, right in front, right in front, right in front. Woohoo! Wow, you're on candid camera. Look at the guy with the sword running around. Oh shit, danger close, danger close. Hit, 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 hit. Got your ass, bitch. You gun working? Bang, 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 bang. Oh, bang.
Two bang
Bang,
bang.
bang. Come on out, guys.
Huh?
Come on out.
Two bang bangs, bro.
There's three of you. Want me to shoot you in the face?
Huh?
Oh, you got 3 bangs. There's 1 of you left. I'll clear out. I got you
There's
guys.
4 of us in here. You get 2 bang bangs.
Okay, so 2 of you guys need to leave. So there's one more.
Or live.
One more, and I'll leave. Coming out. Come on out. You're hit. Come on out. There we go. Finally. Holy doggy. Yep. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Got him. Got him. Come on, move, move, move. Gotcha. Come ahead, dude. Come in. Got you, dude. Yeah, you're hit. Yeah, I got him. I got that guy. Got him. Good shot. Guys over there?
Yeah, they shooting from the van over there. Yeah, they shooting from the van over there.
Yeah, I shouldn't get him out move that way.
Can we flank him? Yeah, one gun inside the bush in his right corner. Okay.
Oh, shit. Oh, James did some work. Cleared most of them out and got the Russian German soldier.